A day in my life is a tiring day. Time check, 7 o'clock. Let's go. Let me teach you how to use the tiring day and how to use the boy. A good student is willing to go to cook, and me? Nah, because I'm a bad student and super tiring. My grandma told me, you cook, and me, no reaction. Nothing's happened because I am a legend. Now I'm going to drink coffee to recover my eye bags. This time I'm going to check my face because my face is so cute. Cute, panitan, cute. You take and take any what kind of fruits or vegetables or what kind of what's called it, the kamote. That's kamote is really I like her skin and her body. I like it. I like the way cook and to partner the coffee, and it's delicious. It's so beautiful or nice for combination. That two is this. My grandma told me you're going to school now because you're too late. She appreciate my all effort to school. She support me as a friends or what's called that. Now I'm going to give some water to the balloon because I'm so hot and I need water to wash my body, to shower. Let's start, or you need to panood lahat. At this time, I'm going to buy a Bioderm soap and the Head and Shoulder shampoo. Let's go, and you I show you how to shower. At this point, I'm going to home na to shower and to go into the school. Let's go! Now I'm going to base now because I'm done with a showering. Let's go, guys. This time, I will go in the school because I'm late na. Let me show you my beautiful school and the clean school. The Liceo de San Pedro Calungsod is the most beautiful school in the world or in the future. Haha. This is the police station, which is the police stations of Santo Niño, Katangan Masbate, the third place of police stations, right? Now I'm here in the Liceo de San Pedro Calungsod. This is what happened in the school. This one, AJ, Queenie, and Maria Angel, Joanna, and Angel Ann, and Katong. All of that person or people is my classmate, and I have a same strength, which is an ABM. This time I'm writing my feelings to the person that I love or I like, but she doesn't reject me. She These two person is my classmates and same ABM. She my score to my quiz today. And now I'm going to go home now because I'm so tired. My quiz today is so hard, which is enumerations, explanations that I can that I feel that my score is so low. At this time, going to go home, which is my classmates, Chris, Marchan, and Maria. Bruh, now I'm here in the Tagpuan and I'm going to sleep na. The Foggy is sleeping because she's tired to the quiz. But the quiz is so not so hard. It's okay. It's fine. Kinchana teng neng 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 neng. Kuro hara makakasakit. My nose is so small. It's too small. Yeah, that's true. My nose is too small. And now guys, that's the end of my vlog. See you to another vlog. Hope you support my page.